Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and isolating power because residual voltage can shock circuits. Once done, remove the back, battery, and bezel. Use a spudger to lift clips gently so you don't crack plastic. Make sure to wear an ESD strap. This prevents static damage to the LCD and driver board. As you remove screws, place them in labeled groups. This saves time when reassembling. You're already executing repair steps, not just prepping. Keep parts organized and clean with a microfiber cloth. Now you find the leak source. Inspect the polarizer and backlight for dark spots or oily streaks to determine whether fluid entered externally or from internal components. Once identified, gently separate the panel layers. Apply low heat, about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, to soften adhesive and avoid sudden delamination. Make sure to check flex cables and the driver board for corrosion. Cleaning with 0.5 ml isopropyl on a swab removes residue. If the panel has a puncture, note exact location for targeted repair. You'll repair by first draining trapped fluid and cleaning the area thoroughly so adhesives bond properly. For tiny leaks, use a UV-curing optical adhesive to fill and seal, or replace the damaged polarizer/backlight if the defect is large. Once sealed, reapply adhesive evenly and clamp the assembly while it cures to prevent air pockets. Make sure to reconnect flex cables securely, then power up and test the display. If the image is unstable, check flex continuity and connector pins. Fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.